We're here to learn about the development of the surface. We are going to solve these problems which say a hexagon prism of base of side 20 mm and height 45 mm is resting on one of ends on the HP with two of its lateral face parallel to the VP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 30 degrees to the HP. The plane meets the axis at a distance of 20 mm above the base. The question is to draw the development of the lateral surface of the lower portion of the prism. It means you are needed to draw the development of the truncated prism. Let's try to understand this question. In question we have given the sides of the hexagon here, which is 220 mm, and height of the prism, this dimension of base sides, and this height, and we have given this inclined angle of the cutting plane, and the cutting plane is above the base at this distance. So now we can draw the diagram according to the data given here. And the hexagon its lateral face is parallel to the VP. It means the hexagon is going to be in this way. And the length of this prism is, this length is 20. The length of the sides, the length here is 45. That one is axis, and at 20 mm from base, let's say here, we're going to measure this cutting plane inclination. So this one is diagram from this given details from this question. Let's copy this question here so as we can make the development. We have given 20 mm here. Let's draw this hexagon. You can use other methods. Let's use this simple one. Let's join this obtained point. Now after drawing this base here, let's draw this base of the hexagon at a certain distance. Draw perpendicular line to this horizontal line to touch this point. It means here. Gonna draw here. Here. Now let's measure this distance or length of the hexagon from this base, which is 25. I mean 45 here. Let's draw the axis so as to obtain this point. Axis is at 20. I mean, is at the middle of this, which will be here. Middle is here, 2, 2, and to here. Now this point is at 20 millimeter from base. It means is here. Let you obtain this angle 30 degrees. Okay, after drawing this diagram, now let's find after drawing this diagram, now we are going to end with development. Let's extend this horizontal line. You can take the distance, of this, which is 2 centimeter or 20 millimeter. Let's say at any distance along this line, divide into this line into 6 equal parts according to this sides of hexagon, which is 2 centimeter. So it's here. So label here 1, and here will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's add one portion. We must divide into 6 equal portion, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we will turn this portion from this to this, will be this one. Okay, extend this line here, horizontal line, up to this level. Draw vertical parallel lines to touch all these points here. Okay, let's translate this number here. This number 1 is along this line, the same to this will be, this point will be number 2 and 6, the same to that one will be 3 and 5, the same to this will be number 4. Draw horizontal lines to touch all these points. Let plot is the point at which two lines meet, which corresponding to the same number. This number 1 with that one here. Number 2 from this side. Number 3 here. Number 4 here. Number 5. The same to number 6 will be here. Also number 1 again will be here. Use ruler to join these sides, this point. Whiteboard is this all lines except the construction line.